So in the last video, we discussed our product sold function and we looked at TRX order item. I just want to bring your attention over to our TRX order item.rb. Just want you to put some validates in this file and save it. So pretty much just validating name, weight in grams, available quantity, price, expiry date, subcategory ID, and type subcategory ID. Now, is there the case where we would ever have this, or whether this is needed because there's no user input? Yes and no. Well, we are doing some inserts here, but in all honesty, you can pretty much leave it out if you want to. But I like to be complete with everything because I'm OCD that way, so we're just gonna leave it there. Now, today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about this stripe success function. Now, this stripe success function is what we would go to when after we finish or after a customer has purchased an item. And the first thing we need to do is we need to go to our TRX order stripe. And what we need to add in is our get TRX orders stripe success, the ID of the the transaction, and yeah. So we'll save that file there and we'll head back over to TRX orders controller and let's write out this function. So the strip success function really grabs all the necessary data and presents an invoice display page after purchases. So the first thing we have to do is we have to grab the order. So TRX order equals TRX order dot find params ID. And after that, we're going to get our fee. So we'll do a PM for project meal fee. And we'll do a TRX order fee find by ID order TRX order fee dot ID, because remember that order has a TRX order fee. If we refer to our our tables, then going to TRX orders, we have the TRX order fee ID. So the next thing that we want to see is that we're going to have an if statement. And this if statement is going to have current org person.id is equal to order bill to contact ID. So that's what that bill to contact ID is for. Or current org person org company ID is equal to order or company ID. So if someone in the company made an order and a coworker wants to be able to see that order, they're part of the same company. So this second line of the or statement takes care of that situation where if you're in the same company, then you should be able to see the same. You should be able to see the orders. Again, if you're the person that made the order, then you should be able to see that order as well. So that's our if statement. That's what we're going to do there. And we're going to have an else, and our else is going to be rather simple. If the if statement is not true, then this person shouldn't really be able to view this page. And that's all it is. Now, the stripe success page is quite simple. What we're going to do first is we're going to do add company, and we're going to do if the order or company ID is not nil, then we're going to find that company. Otherwise, no. And we're going to do ship address. We're going to find the shipping address related to this order. So we'll do shipping address find by TRX order ID params ID to get the shipping address, and we're going to get our purchase items as well by doing purchase items equal order TRX order item dot all, because a TRX order item belongs to a order, so it belongs to an order. So after that, we want notification params name. So remember that we serialized our notification params? Well, this is us getting it back and looking into the information to grab the name. So that's that. That will grab the name of the person who made the order. And then after that, we want to do a total tax equal order.trx order item dot sum tax amount to get the total tax. And then we also want to find the currency, and this gives us the currency symbol to display in the view by doing @currency equals money.new session currency ISO code.currency. And we're going to have contact equal to current or person. And then we're going to start up an invoice details hash. And this will have order being equal to our order variable, company being equal to our company variable, ship address being equal to our ship address, purchase items for purchase items, notification params being our notification params name, and total tax being our total tax. Our currency is equal to our @currency, build contact is @contact, and project meal fee is equal to PM_fee. And at this point, what we can do is we can do a cart destroy all org person ID, current org person ID. This will wipe out what's in the cart for this person. And then what we'll do is we'll do an invoice mailer, invoice details, and invoice details hash dot deliver. And it's going to have respond to do format, format.html, format.pdf, do end, render PDF, and this will have the title of that invoice number, and it's going to use the following template. So what Invoice Mailer is, to give you a little gist of what you're in for, is it will generate a PDF, and it will also use our template purchase order PDF to generate that PDF, to put in all the variables, and it will send over an email with the invoice to the purchaser's email. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, what we'll do is we'll actually code up this invoice details using our invoice mailer to see how our purchaser would receive their receipt for their purchase. Other than that, this is our Stripe success function. It's not all that difficult. I hope you learned something today. And if you have not subscribed yet for our channel, then please subscribe, leave a good comment, and I'll see you guys again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.